Once you have your Quick Start Wizard complete and you've got all your setup finished the way you would like, we can go into the menu and under Setup and Inputs and Outputs. If you would like to do some custom scaling of your milliamp output, we can do it here. So either for channel 1 or channel 2, we can go into this menu, and here is where we can select the type of loop current, so whether it's to the Namur standard, the US standard, a 0 milliamp fault value, or a 0 to 20 milliamp range rather than 4 to 20, that can be set in here. What process value is assigned to this current output. So doing all of your setup in your Quick Start Wizard automatically assigns your current output 1 to your measurement point 1 and whatever PV you've assigned there. You can override that in your in this menu here. So if you would like to select another PV, this is where you can do it. You can also change your scaling. So again, whatever you set in your Quick Start Wizard for your upper cal and lower cal are the exact same values you'll see here. These can be overwritten within this menu. So if you're monitoring something that requires an offset, like maybe a riverbed or another application which goes beyond the range of what our sensor can do, but you know it's always going to be in the measurement range. Again, we can change your calibration here to align to your milliamp output. We can add a damping value additionally for the milliamp output here. We can set the fail-safe behavior, so you know, whether we go fail high, fail low, last reliable value, the current value, or whatever fail-safe value you would like to enter. We can set the fail-safe condition as well. So these two options, so the first one is just if your PV goes faulty, that will put us into fail-safe condition, or if there is like a maintenance or a process alarm, that would also, or your PV goes faulty, that would also put us into a fail-safe condition. So a couple of different options there, whether you want to stick directly with the PV or if you would like the device itself failures to send the milliamp into fail-safe current. That's an option in here. If you want to suppress your fail-safe behavior, you can add a suppression time in. If you want to set a minimum duration for your fail-safe, so if you go into fail-safe, you would like it to hold there for maybe a minute, maybe 10 seconds, whatever you would like to do, just to make sure that it is noticed or recorded properly in your control system. With that, we can also do. If you want to do a forced value on the milliamp output, you can enter anything in there as well. And then we can also enable diagnostics specifically for the output, whether you're in upper or lower saturation. So that's everything you can do on your current output. You can do that, like I said, for channel 1 and channel 2. And if you have the optional heart card installed, you will see that in the menu here as well. Everything in there with a little bit more detail, because there we're dealing with, you know, up to 4 different variables and some digital communication options. But for the analog outputs that come with the product, you get 1 for a single point, 2 with a dual point. All those options can be manipulated here in the menu.